Google just dropped something wild. It's called Opal. It's a free AI agent builder that lets anyone create full apps, automations, and workflows without writing a single line of code. You just describe what you want in plain English, and Opal goes out and builds it for you. We're talking about combining Gemini. We've got Nana Banana in there. We've got Veo 3, Google's insane video generation AI, all in one single place, so that you can create, for example, blog post generators, video creators, lead scrapers, social media content machines, research assistants, data analysis tools, marketing automation systems, all for free without coding, all shareable with a single link. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google Opal to build real automations that actually help your business. We're going to build things live today, things you've never seen before, things that look completely insane. And I'll also give you a 30-day plan to go from zero to having AI agents running parts of your business, even if you've never coded anything in your life, even if you're not technical, even if you've tried AI tools before and they didn't work, because this is different. This is Google saying, we're giving everyone the keys to the AI kingdom. Let's get straight into it. So you can see Google Opal here. We've got opal.google. It is not available in every single country around the world. So if you need some help on that, just DM me inside the AI Profit Board and we have some workarounds and that sort of thing. But for example, it's available in my country and it's available in quite a lot of countries around the world. So you can see here, for example, we've got a bunch of apps we've already created. Let me show you an example. This is flashcard, right? And we've got the actual workflow on the middle bit, and then we've got the actual app on the right hand side, right? And so you can edit the workflow, change the inputs and outputs here. And then if you go to the actual app section here, you've got flashcard Espanol, and you can use this for flashcards and that sort of thing. So if we hit start like so, we can enter a topic or difficulty level. So I'm going to put, for example, beginner here, and then it's actually going to use AI to generate the flashcard content, right? So AI is not just building the app, but it's also inside the app to be like generative as you go along. Now, it actually looks a little bit like Duolingo, doesn't it? But the difference here is it's actually got AI baked into the process, and then you can come back once the flashcards are generated. Now, the other way that you can use this, and this is relatively new as well, is you can go into Gemini if you've got it enabled, and then you go to this section here and you can see we've got new gems, right? So you build these AI super gems. I think this is only available on the Pro plan, whereas you can get Google Opal for free. And you see here it's generated the flashcards. So for example, hola, obviously hello. What we got here, these are really easy stuff, but you get the point. You can generate these flashcards, build whatever you want using this app. You've got, for example, the transcript SAP generator. So what we can do with this is I can actually take like a video transcript on a process I want to train my team on, right? So let's go and grab a process from one of my YouTube videos here. Let's go to this one, for example. We're going to grab the video transcript like so. Let's grab that. We're going to go into Gemini here, into Opal, plug that into the app, and then that will actually generate a step-by-step operating procedure and a guide on exactly how to use this stuff based on the video transcript we just plugged in, right? Easy peasy lemon squeeze. And so you get the point. Like, it's really easy to use though. And what I'm going to show you today is a framework called the Opal Engine Framework. And this is my 30-day AI agent blueprint to basically build with Google Opal. Now, if you're wondering, okay, what is Google Opal? Well, it's a free no-code AI app builder from Google Labs. It's now available in 160 countries. It's been called vibe coding because he literally described just what you want and the AI builds it. And here's what makes it special, right? So number one, natural language building. You type in what you want in plain English, Opal goes off and builds it. Number two, visual workflow editor. So you see exactly how your app works with drag and drop nodes, like you see right here, right? It's powered by Gemini, Veo 3, and Nana Banana, right? The most powerful AI models Google has. It comes with instant sharing, so you can actually grab a link to your app, like make it public, and then boom, shakalaka, you can get free access to it, right? Let me actually give you access to this just so you can try it out, right? So if we click on public over here, and then we'll grab the public link, as you can see. And then if you want to test out some of the tools that I show you today, I'm going to share this with you. And there we go. And we've got the SAP generator right there. Boom. All right. So let's keep going through now. Also, it's free. So you can use Google Opal for free, which is pretty amazing because it's better than a lot of paid tools. I've tested a lot and this is actually better. And then it's integrated with Gemini 3, which is, one of the most powerful ways. It's also integrated into Gemini here. So for example, if you go into Gemini, like so, then you're going to go to Gems on the left-hand side. From there, you are going to go to New Gem. And inside New Gem, you just describe what you want, right? So Let's see what we got here. Which AI tool can be used to develop a complete downloadable Android application for offline data collection and can be synced to Google Drive? So I think you would probably use Google's MCP for Google Drive to sync it. And then if you're coding out offline, well, you could use something like Visual Studio Code. You could build out apps with what else we got here? Yeah, even Claude Code, I think you could do with that as well. And you can build out those apps locally. And then once you built them out locally, they run offline. And then if you need to sync them with Google Drive, you just connect the Google Drive MCP, right? That's how it works. All right, so we're going to get straight into this. So what we do here is just describe the workflow that we want, right? So how do we do that? Well, I'm going to show you some examples that we'll build live, and these are personalized to my business, right? So I've got an SEO agency, Goldie Agency, and I have the AI Profit Boardroom, which is my AI automation community, all right? So from here, what we're going to do is build out the SEO content machine, right? We're going to take this prompt. These are copy and pastable prompts you can just steal from me inside the video notes from today. So if we go back over here, by the way, we've got the SCP, as you can see right there. So if we go back to Opal, we're going to click on Create New. Inside the Create New, we describe what we want to build, as you can see right there. And then we're going to start building that out. And that is going to start building out our workflow, right? It's going to build out in a couple of different ways, which I'll show you in a second if you want to learn this stuff. But essentially, this is how it works, right? So for example, here, it's going to start building out the app. It's going to take a little while to buffer and generate. But yeah, that's basically how we can use it. Now, in the meantime, there we go. We've already got the block builder ready to go. That was pretty fast. So you can see here, for example, what does it do? How does it work? Well, you can actually switch between this and see what they've built, see how to build it, right? So for example, if we open this up, you've got, for example, the keyword section. So you enter the blog's main topic keyword. By the way, the AI just arranged this for us. Then you've got the deep researcher, right? So this will actually do deep research with Gemini Flash. From there, it's going to generate the blog post. Then it's going to generate an image description, a featured image. It saves it to Google Docs, so it actually saves it directly to Google Docs for a blog post, and it actually has a prompt for generating the content, right? Let me show you how it works. So if we go into Blog Builder here, I'm going to enter the blog post main topic keyword. So let's say, for example, I don't know, it was like how to use Notebook. That's the blog topic keyword. So we can plug that in like so. It's going to conduct the deep research, which might take a while, but you can actually see the progress over here. And then you can start using this. Border says, can you turn a gem into an App Store app? And could it possibly be as easy as Boom Shakalaka? Borders, you legend, man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate these comments. So what you would do here is if you want to build out an app like that, right, you want to go into Firebase. Firebase is one of the best ways to build out an app, and you can use Firebase for free. The other option that you have is that you can build out with Bolt or Lovable. That will create the mobile app, and then you can launch out into the App Store. And I don't think it's that easy to actually get your app approved. I think you can build it as easy as Boom Shakalaka, but getting it approved on the App Store, it might take a few days or whatever. So that's probably the hard bit. But actually building it is pretty easy to get it done. Google Opal, you wouldn't use for something like that. Like, it's not really going to build out mobile apps. It's more for kind of like mini apps where you can build out stuff here. So if you wanted to do the same thing inside, for example, inside Google Gemini, using the AI Super Gems feature, well, here's how you do it. So you'd go over to the AI Success Lab, like you can see here. We're going to build, for example, the lead research agent, where you enter a company name. Opal scrapes web for information, finds decision makers, compiles contact research, and exports to Google Sheets, right? So again, we've got loads of copy and pastable prompts inside the AI Success Lab, which is where these notes are stored. Link in the comments and description. And then you can see that's going to build out the app here as well. Right, so there's two different ways to build out the app. And we've got the blog post here that was automated based on the deep research and everything else, right? And it plugged it in. So we said the blog title was how to use Notebook LM. It's created that content, it's tagged it nicely, it's generated it into a nice little copy and pastable format. And then you can just take that straight onto WordPress. If you want to steal that from me, let me make that public and I'll give you the tool for free so that you can use it whenever you want to as well. Bear in mind, it's also generated an image at the top as well for the content, so that's pretty powerful too. And if you go back to the video notes from today, I'm going to add the blog post generator right here as well, right? And these are free tools you can steal that I've built for you personally, and you've seen how I built them as well. All right, so we're going to put free tools here. Spotter says, is that blog builder costing any API credits? It's not using API credits, and the reason for that is because it's using Google APIs, so they kind of give away this free tool, right? The other crazy thing here, and this is really interesting too, is it's actually plugged it into a Google Doc, as you can see. So I actually automated that into a Google Doc and then published it to my Google Drive. Like, how insane is that, right? It's just there waiting in my Google Drive. Happy days. So if you want the formatted version, you can go into Google Opal. If you want the non-formatted version, then you can go to Google Drive. And that was really simple. And the thing I love about that is, like, if you want to connect Google Drive to stuff normally, it gets quite technical. It can be quite messy, or you can just use Google Opal for free, steal my prompts, and then it's way faster and easier, right? I've given you a few other examples, like social media content generator, AI avatar video creator, and client report generator as well, right here. Now, what I've also done is broken this down into a 30-day Opal engine plan, so you can go from zero to AI agents and run your business, and it shows you exactly what to do step by step every single day with copy and pastable prompts that you can take from me. Again, I've shown you a proof that this stuff actually works. As you can see, we've got the company inside lead generator right here. So if we plug in, for example, the company name to research, like for example, Goldie Agency, it will start doing deep research on the company. And again, this is inside Gemini, right? So you can build these tools inside Opal, or you can build it inside Gemini. But the main thing here is, like, it's pretty simple and easy to do. And then you've got all these prompts every single day of the 30-day plan that you can copy and steal from me. Now, let me tell you about the old way and the way whilst Gemini is generating the outputs, right? So the old way was, like, you wanted to build an app, you'd have to hire developers, it gets expensive, takes months, you don't get what you want, you know, it costs more to fix it, and then you're frustrated, right? That was the old way. The new way is, you want to build an app, you describe it in English, Opal builds it in minutes or seconds, like you've seen today. You share a link, and it just works, my friend. It just works, like you've seen today already, as you've seen with this blog post. Beautiful, isn't it? The same, for example, like you wanted to automate something. This was the old way. You had to learn like NA10 or Zapier. You spend hours watching YouTube tutorials, probably my 5-hour course on NA10, which can be quite draining mentally. You mess up the connections, your automation breaks, and you give up. That was the old way of doing AI automations, right? The new way is, like, you want to automate something, so you describe the workflow to Opal. Opal creates the visual nodes, you click run, and it handles everything, like we've seen with this post, right? So this is the lead generator, and we said create a mini app where I enter a company name. The app should research the company to the web, find out who the CEO or founder is, summarize what the company does in 2 sentences, identify the main competitors, right? And then you can see here that it's got this, as you can see, it's got my main competitors on the list, right? Pretty nice. And how easy was that to generate, right? We literally just copied and pasted a prompt. So if you want to get that app as well, again, I'll make that public for you, a free tool for lead generation. So we're going to make that public, copy the link, and this is how you can share it with anyone, right? So whether your team or whether you could give this out to your audience and use it as a lead magnet, that sort of stuff as well. And then, for example, here we can take that like so, go back to Opal, and then we'll put lead generator, right? There we go. And yeah, that's basically how it works. And so I've shown you the old way and the new way. I've shown you the 30-day plan. I've shown you how to build apps with examples. I've shown you that the apps actually work, right? Now, let's talk about the new mindset you need to win with AI. So, some people had a limited belief of, like, I need to know how to code to build AI automations. But the truth is, think about this. Like, when cars first came out, people thought you needed to be a mechanic to drive one. And that sounds ridiculous, but the same thing is happening with AI right now. Google Opal proves it. You type what you want, AI builds it. No syntax, no debugging, no Stack Overflow, no Python code, etc. So the new belief is, like, you just need to know how to describe what you want. That's it, right? Other people will say, well, let's see, there's too much to learn, I'm fall behind, blah, blah, blah. But the truth is, this is just shiny object syndrome talking. And I see it all the time in my community. People jump from tool to tool. They never master anything. They feel more overwhelmed. That's why we have the focus protocol inside the AI Profitable Boardroom, right? But it's the truth. You don't need to learn everything. You just need one system that works, right? And Google Opal is that system because it connects to Google's best AI models in one place, right? So you master up Opal, and then you stop chasing the next thing. So the new belief really is, like, one tool mastered beats 10 tools dabbled, right? Other people will say, well, I'm not creative enough to come up with prompts. And you know what I do when I'm stuck with prompts? I just go to the Opal gallery, right? So if we go back here, you can actually see that there's an Opal gallery with pre-made AI agents, right? And then you can just steal those. And that's basically how you can do it. And then you can find an app someone else built, click remix, customize it, done, right? So you don't even need to be creative. You just need to be a good editor. So find what works, make it yours. And the new belief really is, like, creativity is optional. Remixing is a new skill, right? That's a new skill that people are not using right now. So thanks so much for watching. What I've actually done today is broken everything down. So if you want to get access to all the video notes from today, you can get it inside the AI Success Lab. That's a community of 42,900 members inside the community. If you want to get access, just type in on Google Julian Goldie AI Success Lab, or go to ChatGPT, or if you're watching on YouTube, then you can just click the link in the comments and description to get free access to this community. If you go down to the classroom and then you go to January 2026, you'll see the video notes from today, right? So you'll see the resources with the links. You'll see the links to the free tools. So if you want to steal that from me, I know Blue Whale, you said, how do I find your link on Gemini? That's how you find it in the free tools section. You've got the Opal engine framework as so, the examples and the copy and prompts. You've also got inside there the 30-day Opal engine plan with copy and pastable prompts you can implement for a day-by-day plan. And then we've also run through all the limiting beliefs that could be holding you back and how to break them, as you can see right here. And then finally, what we actually have is 100 prompts for Google Opal for content creation. What else we got? We got image and video generation prompts. We have apps that you could use for business automation, and everything you could possibly need when it comes to building apps with Google Opal. And the actual prompts you can just copy and paste and steal from me inside the AI Success Lab. And this is completely free with an extra video tutorial just to help you with more. All right. Supporter says that is a really good looking blog post and the image is perfect. Thank you very much, sir. But yeah, these tools are absolutely amazing, and you can just go off and build them for free, as you've seen today. And if you want to connect with me personally, if you want to get access to some of the best AI builders in the world, then you can join the AI Profit Boardroom, link in the comments description. It comes with 2,000 members, so 2,000 people serious about building AI automations for their business. We have a daily accountability group. If you struggle with like overwhelm or shiny object syndrome, then you can get my 1-minute updates. These are weekly 1-minute wonders that just take and condense all of my research into like a quick 1-minute update so that you know what's worth your time and what's not, and you cut out all the overwhelm and the noise. You can post inside the community, get technical support and help from me and the rest of the community, as you can see right here. So if you post a question, for example, then I'll be happy to help you, as you can see right here. Also, we have 4 weekly coaching calls. You can jump on the coaching calls, get live technical support whenever you want. And then inside the classroom here as well, you can get a 6-week AI automation masterclass. So this takes you from complete beginner to expert with AI. You'll learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. And on top of that, you also get my best playbooks on, for example, like how to automate Twitter, right? How to do newsletters, how to automate shorts, how to automate AI avatar videos, how to automate screen shares, everything you need to win with AI. Also inside the classroom here, you got my best workflows on like lead gen and social media, and templates, how to get clients, coaching call recordings if you can't make them, AI SEO automations, and YouTube SEO workflows as well. And that's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You are insane, Julian. Thanks a lot. Happy to help very much. And thanks for watching.